Hello friends, the topic is IO streams using scanner class. So mainly, when we want to give the value to the variables dynamically, means while running the program. So while running the program, I want to give the value to the variables. So in C language, we have a scanner statement or a function, or in C++, we have cin function. But in Java, we don't have a direct concept like that, direct functions like that. You need to follow IO streams using readers and writers. But luckily, of course, they have come up with a very simple concept called scanner. With scanner, we can read int, float, character, and string also. But yes, in the earlier videos, we have shown you how to read a character and string using buffered reader, of course, using readers and writers. But for int and float, want to demonstrate or implement using a scanner. So kindly, why to wait? So let's go to the concept. So how to read int and float using scanner. So see a very simple program. So class A, so public static void main. So enter the integer number. So it just comes to the, it prints on the monitor. So then the user will enter the value, some value, for example, 10. Okay. So, and then see, whatever the value enter from the keyboard, it takes it, system.in, the keyboard value is taken, and the scanner will read it and pass it to OB. The scanner will automatically scans or reads the value from the keyboard, and of course that address, it saves in the memory, and then that reference is passed to the object OB. Please understand. So the value is saved in the RAM, and that address of the reference is given to the object OB. So now, so what the thing OB will do is, so we have the method called ob.nextInt. NextInt for integer numbers and next float for the next floating numbers. So it uses nextInt. So immediately whatever the value it gets, the next value, next integer value, so it will pick the value. Okay, that's the meaning. So it picks the next integer value. So whatever it gets the integer value there, yes, it picks it up. ob.nextInt, and of course we can pass it to some variable I. So for example, if we enter 10 here, the 10 is given to the variable I. And next floating number, so maybe I want to give 15.7. Enter the floating point number. So again, keyboard, it gives to ob1, ob1.nextFloat, that is given to j. Okay, please understand, 10 is given to I and 15.7 is given to j. Now simply I want to print sum is I plus j. So 10 plus 15.7, it should give 25.7. So it's very simple with the scanner class. Of course, you should use 2 times here. So one for the integer value and one for the floating point value. Even you can do with the same character and string also with the scanner. Even the buffer reader also can be used for the same int and float also. Okay. So please understand. Yes. So let's actually work it out the program. Let's execute it. So see the same program I've entered in the online compiler. Okay, let's run it. No, I think it will not work here. So let's go to the command prompt. Yeah, so online compiler, scanner has some problem. So we'll work in the editor. So you can see the notepad file here, the same. So I've saved, I think, in SVG Java. So I'll go to the command prompt. So here, so Java C. Let me show you. Yes, which is Java. See there, Java file. So the same nextInt and next float, the same program I have entered and saved it. Where? In the SVG Java, of course. Okay. Let's go to the command prompt, Java C a.java. File name is A, and then Java A. Yes, enter the integer number 10, enter the floating point number, the same 15.7. It gives 10 plus 15, that is 25.7. So you can read an integer value using scanner, you can read a floating point number using a scanner. And of course, you can sum it up or you can do whatever you want. So hope it is clear to get to give the values dynamically while running the program using the scanner class, or we can do with the buffer reader also, which we have done in the earlier videos. Hope it is clear. Keep practicing. Rock it. Okay, see you all. Bye-bye.